but the lease to own payments for
What do you think, chat?
for 3 years
Should I
was
chase?
$5,500 a month.
Chase
So
it,
no.
chase it now.
No, thank
That's
you.
the inner devil.
I'll do the finance.
Chase it now.
No, thank
That's
you.
the inner devil.
Amount people are idiots. I know. I like.
Okay.
I get it easy though.
You do have 7
I
minutes
get it
left of
easy
this.
because whenever someone gives me a
4
leasing
hours.
accusation, I'm like, I'm 20 years old. I'm not allowed to. Like,
Hour quick close. Super duper duper tricky. Yeah. Yeah, it hasn't opened. We got that 15-minute, 30-minute break in structure. We got so much more upside. We got this 4-hour candle sweep, wick. You technically want to get in on the wick. Right here, boy. Nah, wait. We're gonna wait. Not gonna FOMO into anything. The 15-minute change state. Hour. Let's go, man. What are you leaning more towards today? You like the bull ideas? It's all good. Beautiful. Close. I'm stop picking up your mic in the stream. Ah, for fuck's sake, bro.
Add new audio input capture. Okay. Cool. Now that should do it. Cool. There it is. That worked. I just had to close it out, open it back up for whatever reason. But that kind of sucks because now I gotta put all these filters back on it. Oh no, it's still there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, yeah, we're good. 10 a.m. opens right now, right on time.
So this is a beautiful 10 a.m. open, bro. 4-hour wick closure.
But this is
4-hour
crazy.
gap sitting right up there. We got a 15-minute change in the state, which is right here. 15-minute change in state. Yeah, bro, this is looking really good for upside.
5, 7.
I think I'm gonna start DCing into this position though slowly.
This is crazy, bro. It's like, what? Desktop audio, whatever. Monitoring device. Joint chart. This is so stupid. Joint chart.
Got a 15 change state. Now we should get a bearish closure on the 15-minute. Oh, just straight ripping higher. Yeah, bro.
Mm.
Russell's ripping higher. This is already telling you what's about to happen.
Yo, for your oh, there it is. All right. I was about to say, I don't know why I did that. Boom, 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 boom. $72 with 18, 15, 128. And 51, 585. Just bring this up. All right, cool. Browser 2. All right, browser 3. All right, cool. Audio capture. Browser 3. What'd you say, bro?
I don't know what I said.
My bad, you good. I'm trying to figure out why your audio. I may just have to do it after. Your audio is literally not.
No bueno.
No, it's fine, but it's only coming out of one ear. It's not stereo. Which I'm like, how is that even a thing? But I'll figure it out. On YouTube, you wouldn't notice, but if you put on headphones, you would notice. All right, whatever.
Bro, I'm gonna try some longs here, bro.
Long Central. Dang, this thing just ripped, huh? 9:30, you got that Judas. Beautiful. Sweeps out a ton of liquidity. Sweeps out the low. 10 a.m. taps into that order block. Continues higher. We got these London highs and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Bro, everybody just went long.
Yeah, I'm about to do right now. I'm just waiting for this closure. But I'm just gonna anticipate this to close above midnight and just run higher the whole day, bro.
Session. We got these London highs sitting right here. Asia high.
Just waiting for this freaking ES confirmation. That's it, bro, and I'll try it.
What was Tanya's confirmation? Let's see her.
Yeah, that's good enough for me, bro. Get me in on that. And I'm just gonna ride this puppy, bro.
Why can't I hear? Oh my! This computer really be doing stuff on its own, bro. It just changed my entire output. Choose where to play sound. Playing sound in my.
First attempt at the longs. Give it a try, bro.
All right, we go. So.
I gotta give this a try. We're gonna put this stop right here. Right below this order block.
All right, cool. Boom. What is actually okay? Clean up these charts here. You can zoom in into your position also because it looks a little bit zoomed out. I'm gonna zoom in also. I want to see how price responds at these highs up here. $10-minute, 5-minute. But yeah, you can zoom in into your position if you want. I have to zoom in on mine too. Charts are a little different.
Well, let me see.
So you can I mean you can see it, but on YouTube. Yeah. What time frame is that? 1 minute?
But why don't you just do the vertical variation? This thing looks so ugly.
That's just how I have it set up. Unless you want to come over here and change it.
Bro, this thing literally looks like you can't even see nothing, bro.
You gotta
Everything
zoom
is
in. I can see
pixelated.
mine. Mine looks fine. You just gotta zoom in. Or get off the 1 minute.
I'll get off the 1 minute.
$5-minute. OB. 10-minute, yeah. I want to see how it responds at this high right here. We just took out, what, London high?
Yeah. Add alert on ES. The thing is, bro, like this whole freaking week, either you get in or you're not getting an entry, bro.
Yeah.
So either I'm getting in now and I'm totally wrong and we're just gonna have a BS day where it just chops around this daily range and we don't expand, or we're just gonna expand all the way and take out all these
Yeah.
like I'm done, bro. Like this point, I'm just gonna adapt and be like, all right, fuck it. I'm just gonna lower my size and I'm gonna get in, and it's either gonna pay or not.
Facts,
You
yeah.
can't
Can't overthink it. Take what it.
take.
Yep.
The more you overthink, the more likely you're gonna get chopped up. I got a horrible entry too, bro. This 5-minute gap can get tested, bro.
This one's tough. I can't really. The sweep at the low, like you said, that was probably your best bet. Trying to get in after that, but now we're at the top of this range. It's like,
Yeah,
who
I know.
knows?
I'm just looking at the Russell. The Russell's literally like, it's so close to this high, this 4-hour gap high. The minute it takes it, I'm gonna go break even, because it can reverse off of this and dump, or it inverts it, and then we just go to all-time highs, and then just I'm gonna hold my position all day. So now, basically, guys, this gap has to get respected right here. Otherwise, I'm cutting this trade. If we're truly bullish, must respect. If we're truly bullish, this gap must get respected here. And then the draw is going to be this 4-hour gap.
This is so ugly. Like, if you really just look, Wednesday was a bunch of chop. Wednesday, Thursday, and now here we are. Oh, not the whole day Wednesday, the bottom half of Wednesday after 11. Chop, 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 chop.
The reason why we should not be shorting this is because it doesn't follow the weekly power of 3. If we had Tuesday manipulation on the highs and we had like Monday lows intact, then yeah, we could short the shit out of it.
Monday, Tuesday, yeah. So what happened Monday? Monday was bullish.
NWALK gap fill, and just expands and expands and expands and expands. And then Tuesday, Wednesday expands. So that automatically tells me, yeah, we're not going lower. No way. All right, I'm gonna leave this on, and I'm gonna be back.
All right. NASDAQ looks solid. ES is the one that's weak right now. NASDAQ flips midnight. Which one was stronger coming into it? We swept the previous daily low. NASDAQ was weaker, bro. NASDAQ was well below that previous daily low coming into 950. ES sweeps the previous daily low, bounce higher. So yeah, I'm watching ES here for some clues on what price wants to do. This thing is ripping now. $10 a.m. opens, retest the what? Nothing. Retest an imbalance. Flips this. We don't retest it at all. Yeah, I would want to see price tap into this area. I mean, maybe it doesn't. Did Russell tap into it? 1002. 1002, 1002, 10, yeah, nothing. Yeah. We close above. I mean, this wick right here clearly seems to be the rejection. All right, once we closed above, you could see price pull right back into this area right here and show some strength. And then if we're looking over here, doesn't happen over here whatsoever. NASDAQ's the one you want to be buying. And we took that session high, pulled back, and just ran off of it. Yeah. All right, on that note, long ES stops below here. And let's see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. 5 sounds good to me. So we're gonna get this order block here that formed on the 5-minute. 2-minute flip right here. All right. At 10:10. You should see an order block or something. There it is right there. We close through here. We tap back into it. All right, yeah. A nice move here. I'm gonna long this with 5 micro. I'm looking for a close above this 6 a.m. price on the 2-minute chart. So you can see this short-term resistance right now. I want to see a close above it. Got a nice wick right now. There we go. Probably go like 10.5. All right, I'm long there. Put my buy contract. There we go. All right. Yeah, I'm long there. Market just seems like it doesn't care to stop right now. And you waited for 10 a.m. to open. 10 a.m. pulls back into this 9:30 structure. We had 9:30 Judas at these lows. So as long as this break of structure holds after 10 a.m., I'm willing to give this a shot if it holds up after taking these highs, right? So we took out this high here at 10:10, pulled back into this orange area here, which is this bearish candle. All right.
Break even.
Once we pulled back into here, you saw price turn again. So that's telling me I should be able to put my stop somewhere down here, like $300. And see what else is on the table. What else is in this area? We have this 4-hour bearish gap up above right here. FEG. We have previous daily highs, 6 a.m. price. All right. All right, cool. Yeah, that's that. Just see if this continues or what. Previous daily high is probably the best draw here. Go for like 400. All right, clean up my charts and we'll see if this holds up or what. Hide my drawings. All right, cool. Zoom in so you guys can see whatever happens here. I should probably put my drawings back. Yeah. I feel like my screens are bright now. I changed my brightness. 15-minute. There we go. Nasdaq is running. I wonder where this is headed, bro.
Well, the 4-hour gap is an easy draw right now to take out.
Did I mark that 4-hour?
Yep.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, there's one right there. 4-hour. There's 2 of them.
Asia high got taken out, so we should just close much higher here and should just keep expanding.
All right, cool. All right.
Yeah, so if we're truly are super bullish on the higher time frame, we should literally just expand out of this gap and take out these highs like the rest of the day. We should go and take out that this high right here, flathead candle at 30,000.
Edit 913,852. And then you got 90, 142, 1042,
There goes the pullback.
1042, 1042.35. Does that matter? Um, 77. Oh, yeah, that's one. 87. 77. 1042.35, 1032.77, and drop this down. Boom, boom, boom. And oh, what was that? I must have got. Hold on, hold on. Let me check my charts. I'm trying to change this to the view you had before. All right, that looks fine. Oh yeah, look like I got stopped out immediately. There we go. Good job, BS. You were just waiting for me to get in, huh? Hold on, let me see. Edit. Bring that down a little bit.
I got stopped out break even. We're gonna look for re-entries here.
All right, cool. Yeah, that's it from me today. I'm not buying this no more. If I do trade, I'll probably short it. This order block, unless NASDAQ fails to break structure here, but yeah, NASDAQ's not gonna break. NASDAQ's nowhere near this low right now. This 10 o'clock low, ES is the only one under it. So yeah.
Yes, is a massive chop, bro.
Let's see. Russell barely pulling back. Yeah, looks like just a retracement for higher.
Yeah. So that one got stopped out break even.
I didn't set up my vertical either. Let me see if I can do that. Boom. Display capture.
If we close below midnight, then it's not a good look. That's gonna be bearish. Bear stepping in. Are we going to dump?
Dump activity. Let's see, man. We are flipping this move here, but it's tough. You would need to see literally price get back underneath 930, which is way over here. So ES is retesting 930 right now. NASDAQ nowhere near 930, so has to be bullish, man. But yeah, you're right. This you have to put up half a chart on these streams. You can't put the whole chart up. But I have to just redo my vertical setup here. Make it make sense. Boom, 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 boom. See if we can get some flip action here. A flip back above 10 a.m. on ES. NASDAQ respecting midnight price right now.
Yeah.
What time is it? 10:30. Oh, it's super early.
Got to wait. Nasdaq's holding midnight open, which is good. Maybe one more lower, sweep out the lows one more time, and then we look for higher. Come on, one more sweep lower. You know you want to. You know you
NASDAQ pushing here. What is it tapping into though? Oh, it tapped into a fair value gap. Midnight price. I'm trying to figure out why NASDAQ is the stronger one now. It's like, it's crazy. ES is the one at all-time highs, not NASDAQ. don't know. ES gets back above 10 a.m. I'm gonna buy ES one last time and call it. Because 9:30 did hold really nicely here. Let's see if I can get like a 5-minute close above. Yeah. Let's see if I can record this, get a clip out of it. All right, boom, boom, boom.
ES is showing no life to go higher. It's completely weaker.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a sign. I have no idea why it's doing that. Especially when you look at 9:30. They both showed decent amount of bullishness after 9:30.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see though.
Come on. We want to see one more sweep. Yes, we know you want to sweep. Damn, is it really going to stop me out and go to TP? That's crazy.
60.
Stop me out and go to TP. What a freaking asshole this thing is, bro.
Boom, 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 boom.
Come on, you know you want to go to that gap. Stop playing. There we go.
What just happened? Oh, yes. Moving underneath 10 a.m. NASDAQ still above midnight, though.
Yeah, if midnight breaks on NQ, then it's like basically a wrap for longs. Short it.
Bro, I saw the new Spider-Man movie.
Oh, you did too?
Yeah, straight trash.
Yeah, that was definitely like a kid's movie, bro.
I'm like, bro, why y'all do me like that, bro? That should have been. I don't know. Maybe I'm just. I remember the OG Spider-Man days. How the villains actually, you got a deep dive into the villain's life, like Green Goblin. You got to see how they became Green Goblin, all that type of stuff. So you got a real.
Well, the thing is, from what I saw and heard, was that this movie was just a character development movie. That's all it was.
Yeah.
Because they're setting him up for the finale movie, the
Yeah.
fight.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Graphics were cool, but the story was just
Yeah.
mid.
It was alright. 5-minute change in the state.
All
Look
right,
at
yeah,
that.
I'm about to short this, bro. Oh my goodness, look at this go. So what happened here? We got this flip. ES gives you the bearish change in the state first. NASDAQ has yet to give it to you. If NASDAQ flips here, I'm going to short NASDAQ. ES seems to be way ahead of the curve here. Just taking off. Just taking off. There we go. So we're about to get this OB flip. Finally, it's a minute left. You get 10 a.m. opening. Where's 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. opens higher here, changing the state. Let's see if we get one on the 6-minute chart, along with the 5-minute. If not, this could be your double sweep or your, double sweep and then flip right back bullish. Like,
Yep. Flip up bullish and take out. We get back above midnight, then you basically look for longs. We hold this 5-minute change in state. You look for shorts. Back lower. You want to short. You definitely want to short ES.
11 seconds. Yeah, this is still bullish, man. We're also still bullish. Got that sweep. And we're tapping back into that. What about? Yeah, once ES gets back above 10 a.m., I'm going to trade it. If it gets back above it. Let me say that. This NASDAQ looks fine. Above midnight still. Want to see ES go back bullish. And then, because if you look, 10 a.m. opens into here, continues higher, retest. There it goes.
What the hell? Yep. Got right back above midnight. Couldn't close below it. Oh shit.
Yeah, it looks clean for higher. It's only 1040, so maybe this next macro gives you that pickup in volume. Um, if you see NASDAQ hold above this midnight and you see ES hold above this previous daily low, 930 open, those are clean signs for higher. Those start to fail, I will definitely flip to bearish. So yeah, something like this. It's tough for the bearish point of view because there's not many lows down below. You would just hope that it free falls if it does short. Yeah, it's starting to look spooky.
Spooky price action right now. You do not want to be involved in this crap. We get above midnight again, then it's basically a wrap.
Yeah, like I hate, that's the one thing that I hate the most, when it just wicks certain areas 5 times as if it's gonna hold, and then 20 minutes later it just slams through it. Like, bro, you could have did that 20 minutes ago. What's up with all the wicks? Like, come on. Who are you fooling? Who are you trying to fool? All right, yeah, this starting to look a little bit bearish.
We get this 5-minute change in the state on ES and Q. That's like the confirmation. You gotta wait 2 minutes for the closure.
All right. Higher time frame candles trying to flip here. Man.
I just don't like how it left that 4-hour high. So it got so near it, as if it's not gonna take it. That's so stupid.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know. That's why. Filters, close, mic, property.
Oh, fuck.
Actually, just do this. And
Look at that. Dude, ES also looks disgusting on the 1 hour. Technically, we shouldn't even be trading this because that 1 hour looks so nasty. We're just framing every trade idea just off of the higher time frame bullishness. I'll give this a trade one more try if we get closure above on the 3 minute on both assets. Other than that, fuck this. I ain't trying to. I'm not trying to lose money, man. I'm trying to short or buy a consolidating market. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. But we'll see what happens here. I'm thinking about shorting it, to be honest. Just a little bit too weak after taking out that Asia high.
Yes.
It is. It's just like the SMT is what's making it like you can't really call it, bro. ES showing a lot of weakness, but Nasdaq hasn't broken any structure really. It just closed underneath midnight. That was the only thing it did so far.
Yep. So far, it's respecting it too. Midnight price. Can't get above it. This is definitely a no trade environment right now. You don't want to trade it just yet. You want to see a nice little break.
Right. Exactly. Exactly. I don't know, man. You can see it like it's trying to go bullish, but it's just like, why is it so hard?
Maybe it's waiting for Russell to retest 10 a.m. to go higher.
Potentially, yeah. It's
Yeah,
tapping into midnight also, so maybe one of these levels gives you that turn. Yeah, that would be valid. But I'm not gonna lie to you.
but hey, if you're short, then
10,
short it.
50. I'm just looking like, do I really want to trade this? I don't know if I really want to.
Yeah. Well,
What
that
ended up
1
happening
hour chart.
yesterday? I forgot. When I got off, I didn't check it. Oh, it just sold off for the whole day,
Yesterday
the
I had a
whole
super
AM session. Yeah.
high resistance sell. Look at this high resistance sell off right here. Super high resistance.
Wow. Just pure bearishness.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Yeah. Let's get in this. I'm gonna see if we can close above this midnight here. Give this nice little OB. Yeah. Look at it run.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for this 5 minute closure.
It's got a minute. There it is. 5 minute just closed. 6 minute. Long way to go. Fair value gap sitting up there. Did we flip that? 2 minute here. Yeah, let's see how this 2 minute candle closes. I like it. They're both hanging around that previous daily low.
Can't break midnight open at all. And it's just wicking the shit out of this fair value gap. So basically this is your protected low now. Your 1045 low is your protected low. And you are looking for buys. ES hits midnight open. Can ES now see speed higher? That's the question. If ES can align with this trade idea, I'll take a jab at it too. So basically this is your swing low. Which one? Yeah, this one right here. But that hourly closure in ES is so ugly, bro. Like, NQ's giving the bullish closure. ES is saying, nah, I'm just chill in this range, chop fast.
Yeah,
That's what's spooky, bro.
All right, I'm gonna go long here on Nasdaq. I was gonna try ES, but Nasdaq just seems to be way stronger somehow. I don't know how, but I'm in long on Nasdaq here, guys. 100-point stop. 100-point stop. Looking for like just a decent move, nothing crazy. Because when you pay attention to like that 10 a.m. power 3 concept, you see that 10 a.m. opens slightly lower, break structure. Now with that break of structure, you want to see price reverse and flip this 5-minute candle here, which was that first down close candle at 10 a.m. It tried to go lower, breaks higher. You got a nice rally off of it. Price trades right back into the upper half of that bearish candle, right? And we saw SMT with ES off of this low. So if we pull up ES, you'll see it. So it's just like, all right, yeah, if you want to go higher, this looks like a buying profile. Got SMT down here. ES underneath 10 a.m. While NASDAQ still showing some strength, you got NASDAQ holding above 10 a.m. and you got ES holding this previous daily low after tapping into it. So if it's going to go higher, this is probably what it's going to look like. So I'll give it a chance here. But buys, as I mentioned, are very, very sketchy. So I wouldn't hold this through much drawdown. I want to see it just run here.
I would quickly go break even, bro, like me. I would have got stopped out if I held it.
It's tough. Like there's no real reasonable break even unless you let it go like 40 points to that fair value gap and then go break even.
That's good.
All right, we'll see. Perfect. Russell still holding that midnight. Look, Russell went and tapped midnight to the tick, and that's when the volume picked up. It's wild. But really, at this point, man, it's just hard to say how high this would go up. So you just hope for one of those spikes that saves the day and gets you off the charts. Now we're taking that high on NASDAQ. You don't want to see too much of a pullback here because that could lead to a sharp turn, SMT type of turn. But yeah, Power 3 says bullish. Every chart showing bullishness, Russell included. So, just see what happens.
Just teasing that 4-hour high. That's funny. It's such a bitch. Look at that. 15-minute closure higher. ES failed to close higher. ES failed to close above 10. 1 hour bullish close on NQ. Stuck in a chop on the 90-minute. 30-minute change in the state. We got the change in the state on a 30-minute. 15-minute, nope. 5-minute, yep. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get some food, make some food, bro.
All right, here we go. This is where you, like I mentioned, I don't care to deal with drawdown on buy trades. Buy trades are the worst trades lately. So even though we're still above this midnight here, I wonder why it's doing all this. But I'm gonna kill this, bro. There's no life in this trade. We're sweeping highs on Nasdaq and just dying. It's trash. I would rather short this as well, but it's getting close to that 11:30 cutoff. I will laugh if this is the pivot point, but I'm not a fan of the buys. You guys know that by now, so I'm gonna be less lenient with these buy trades. And that'll be my exit there. One loss, one pretty much half a loss. 1.5 exit. Chop is upon us. And like I said, I would laugh if this is literally the only thing Price wanted to retest. This midnight price once again, which it's just tough to hold buys, like I said, with this SMT, blah, 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 blah. All right. I'm going to leave it there, man. Ugly week for me so far. I haven't been able to catch a win yet. But I think Obi might have stepped out. Yeah. Drop a photo here. I had two attempts at the long. You'll see it in the Discord. I had a long on ES around 10:05. All right, cool. Yep. That's gonna wrap it up. I would rather see this short than to try and continue higher, right? All of this choppiness you would expect lower, but you see price just chopping here. Power of 3 gives you the buy signal, but we've taken out this high, and you guys know, like I know, once this high is taken, you better start protecting yourself, especially if there's SMT off of that high. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Hopefully, you guys are having a solid week. My week is a bit choppy, but it'll be all right. I'll catch you guys. What's tomorrow? Friday? Yeah, Friday. See how tomorrow goes. Take it easy. Um, and yeah, God bless, man. You guys be safe. We are out of here.